Hello and welcome back to our channel Salesforce Piece. Today we're going to discuss about lookup relationship. So let's quickly log in into our organization, and we already know that account and contact are already having a lookup relationship. So without wasting our time, just let's quickly click on the app launcher and navigate to the accounts tab. Here click on any one of the account. Here if you observe in the related tab, there already a contact exists to this account. So here account is the parent object and contact is the child object. Let's try to understand the simple scenario with student object and the professor object. In the student object we have 4 records, and in the professor object we have around 3 records. Let's try to simply create a relationship between these two objects. If you observe, student S4 is not having any mentor, and also Professor P3 is not having any student. It is clearly stating that even though if we have a lookup relationship between the objects, there is no such mandatory that relation must exist between the records as well. This is one of the benefit for the lookup relationship. Now let's consider professor as the parent object and student as the child object. Now the question is where to create the lookup field. Obviously it will be in the child only, because one parent can have multiple children, but one child cannot have multiple parents. Let's try to do what we have seen till now practically. How to create the lookup relationship. Just click on the object manager and again go back to the student object. Here click on fields and relations, click on new field, and now here we need to select lookup relationship and click on next. And now here we need to select to which object we need to have the lookup relationship. Now select professor object here and click on next and give the field name, and whatever the name we'll give it over here, that will be visible in student object. Click on next and again check all the profiles here and again click on next and save it. Now we have created a lookup relationship between the student object and the professor object. Let's quickly navigate back to the student tab. And in here if you observe, there are no records yet, so because the object is created freshly. So just click on new. A pop-up will open up with the existing fields in the student object. Let's say any name for the student and click on professor. Click on add new professor because we don't have any professor records. Give any feasible name in the professor name field and then just click on save. That name will automatically come over here and again click on save. So here we go. We have our student record created. Now here we have the professor record. Just simply click on the professor name. It will directly navigate to the professor tab. And in the professor tab, if you go to related list, there we can see how many students are assigned on this particular professor. Let's try to delete this professor. Just click on delete. The professor got deleted, and if you observe in the student record, the professor field got empty here. So this is the major advantage for the lookup relationship. For more interesting videos and content, please do share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.